Overview of Arduino. The Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software used to build electronics projects. All Arduino boards have one thing in common, which is a microcontroller. A microcontroller is basically a really small computer. With the Arduino, you can design and build devices that can interact with your surroundings. The Arduino boards are basically a tool for controlling electronics. They are able to read inputs with their onboard microcontroller, e.g. light on a sensor, an object near a sensor, and turn it into an output, drive a motor, ring an alarm, turning on an LED, display information on an LCD. With the Arduino, makers and electricians can easily prototype their products and make their ideas come to life.
Difference between Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Before going into detail about the Arduino, some of you may be confused with the Arduino and a single board computer, SBC, that is based on a microprocessor like the Raspberry Pi. Let's clear the confusion now by comparing the Arduino and one of the most popular SBC, the Raspberry Pi. What are their main differences? An Arduino is based on a microcontroller, which is a simple, easy-to-use computer designed for beginners to run one program at a time, over and over again. A Raspberry Pi is a single-board computer based on a microprocessor that acts as a general-purpose computer. It is able to run various operating systems like Windows and Linux. The Raspberry Pi is able to run multiple programs and is more complicated to use compared to the Arduino. How do I pick which one to get? If you want a simple, easy-to-use board to handle simple repetitive tasks like reading the weather, opening a door, driving a simple robot, turning on an LED, etc., an Arduino would be perfect. However, if you want a fully operating computer that is able to run more complicated functions and the ability to run multiple tasks, an SBC like a Raspberry Pi 4 would be perfect for you.